nice and small, comes with the belt clip. Hey guys, Brad here, and today we're going to be taking a look at this M12 Fuel 1/4 inch hex impact driver kit. I just picked this up from Home Depot. It was an amazing deal. It comes with the drill or impact driver, battery, and a charger and a case. The battery in this is a 4.0 battery, and I paid 149 bucks. This is my first sort of M12 impact driver, so I'm pretty stoked to take a look at it and kind of feel it and play with it. And then after I think a couple of weeks of using this on site, I'm going to do another review on my overall impression of this. I'll compare it to DeWalt's 12 volt lineup and yeah, kind of get a feel for which one I like more. Before we get into it, make sure you subscribe, hit that notify bell, give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and always leave some comments or questions down below because I'd love to talk to you guys. So let's get into it. So nice soft case. Zipper on 3 sides. And that is what you get. You get a little area up here to store your instructions if you need them. I don't think you will. And we've got a 4.0 battery. I don't have any of these yet. Most of the batteries I have are the 1.5, so getting up to a 4.0 is really, really nice. They give you a charger, which is great. I'm starting to get a whole bunch of these, so I'm gonna probably have to start selling some of them. And then the unit itself. This is the fuel. All right, nice and small. Comes with the belt clip. Let's put a battery in here and see. So they give it to you with 2 charge lights on it. And feels really nice in the hand. Got nice rubber overmold. It's got 4 settings on the top here, which I'll learn and I'll get into, but basically one's faster than the next. You got 3 settings, and then this last one is typically you know, if you're doing like hinges, things like that, where you want really, really low torque and it's just nice and slow. That's how it's set up on my DeWalt. And let's just take a quick look at that too. So here's the difference between the two. As far as height, they're basically the same. I don't know. They both feel good in the hand, and they both have all these little digital options on top. So I'm going to give this a try over the next week or so and kind of see how this thing plays out. I'm pretty excited to try this. I want to drive some big lags with it and just kind of put it through the paces. All right, guys, I'd love to hear some comments if you have this, if you have any thoughts on this. Again, this is the 2553-20 model. And yeah, just let me know what you guys think about it. And there's also the Surge, which is a lot quieter than this. So I'll probably get that in the future too, and kind of put that head to head with all these. So, all right, leave some comments, subscribe, hit that notify bell. Till next time, keep on crushing it. We'll catch you later.